Hey y'all, check out my new zero-turn mower. This is a 42-inch time cutter, 15 horsepower. I got it for around 3K. Lowe's was cool enough to deliver this front door for me. I was pretty happy about that. It came with the arms unassembled, which wasn't a big deal. Fresh out the box, I get it. No gas. It had oil. They already filled the oil properly for you. Blades are set and sharpened. I went ahead and purchased a GPS tracker through Bouncy. It's a 4 gigabyte LTE. It's a pretty good GPS tracker. I thought it was necessary to have one of these, period. But yep, this is it fresh out of the box. So it did call for a little assembly. The arms don't come with screws on, so you have to set these screws like so and tighten them on properly. These are them on. I had to actually readjust these. I didn't tighten them enough. The vibration shook them off. This tank came completely empty. This is a 3-gallon tank. So let's go ahead and put some gas in it, and then we're gonna take this thing for a spin. So I sat on it and I was wondering what was wrong, and I didn't realize the battery didn't come connected. So make sure you connect this before you jump on it. So I'm going to show you 3 different speeds. This first speed here is the fastest speed. This is Rabbit, obviously. They call it smart speed. But this is when I really knew how much power this thing had. I was out here popping wheelies with it. Watch this. This is the second speed. This is smart speed. This is great for maneuvering. You can still go fast through the yard, but you can take your turns correctly. The controls on this thing are great. Like I said, I've driven zero turns before, but these control arms are really, really smooth. They feel really good. And you can see with this smart setting how you can maneuver and still keep up a little speed. All right, this is the last speed here. This is Torro, good old Torro. This is pretty slow. I guess this is good for like really tight corners or if you're going around flower beds or whatever. But yep, this thing works really good. I was very impressed. Like I said, I've driven the 22 horsepower and I literally see no difference. I'm cutting through heavy hedges. This is the aftermath of me cutting my grass, but I definitely recommend this for y'all.